It's our favorite time. It's time for Top That Trade, starring Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network News contributor, and Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Here we go, guys, with round number one, mutual fund. Mutual funds turn 100. Are those funds over the hill?
Well, that's why I started my investing career when I was in high school. That's where I first put money. It wasn't 100 years ago, but it was a long, long time ago. The markets have very much evolved. There's many more tools for opportunity. So we talked a couple of weeks ago, I think the ETF had a 50-year reunion. So, there's a lot of tools. You can trade stock, you can trade currencies, you can trade crypto, you can trade commodities, you can invest with ETFs. So there are a lot of tools, but it all requires one thing: discipline.
But I think that creation 100 years ago really transformed the U.S. stock market. It really did. And it made investing, not so much a gamble trying to pick stocks,
right,
but some way somebody can participate in the growth of America. You have to go back in the 1980s when they really took that to the next level, with all these funds with 401ks. It really was responsible for creating wealth for a lot of Americans. And don't feel bad if you missed out on it. There's still an opportunity to do it, especially all you young traders out there. Look at these funds. They kind of look boring now, but 30 years from now, you'll be happy you did it.
Round number two, oil's well. XLE and Occidental hit new one-year highs. Crude oil now trading at the highest since October. Do both still have room to gush?
They do, and I think right now, if you look at the oil sector, it's something we've been talking about, both Alan and I, for months, that based on the profitability of these indexes, they're still undervalued. When you look at the Magnificent Seven, you look at those stocks, profitability, and supply and demand, these stocks look poised to be good. And remember, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Warren Buffett said Occidental Petroleum is a forever stock. And I think it can be in your portfolio.
All right, oil 65 to 85, now breaking above 85. That projects a $20 move to 105. People are going to say, oh, that's above $100. That's going to kill the stock market. We were above $100 back in 2022. And guess what? The stock market was at all-time forever highs.
Round number three, season's greetings. Earnings season starts next week. Are you up or down on the next round of corporate profits?
Well, that's what it's all about for me. It's all about profit. And the profit margin is going to be 12% is what they're projecting. So you may not feel like there's corporations are making a lot of money. You might feel that it's someone else's fault. But the fact is corporations are above their 5-year average when it comes to profitability, their profit margin. So they're making money. So that means stocks are going to do well.
Yeah, and I think the profitability, they're making up for lost time. They had a little bit of a drop during COVID. Some of these stocks are making a comeback, but it's about innovation, right? And the market is looking ahead, and a lot of the profitability is coming because these companies are getting smarter with technology and able to make more money in challenging times.
For your bonus round question today, a total eclipse of the sun is happening on Monday. Are the following songs made up or are they all real songs? Here Comes the Sun, You Are the Sunshine of My Life, and Sunny.
True, and I can actually sing all three of them if you want.
Oh, geez.
Oh, we'd love to hear that, Phil. You are on to me. You guys know your Sunny songs. All are real songs. Remember not to look directly at that eclipse. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.